What up, everybody? Ronan and I today are over at this place, Dunk N Munch, breakfast and lunch, here in Fall River, Massachusetts, located on Rodman Street. Ronan's already in there getting us a table, so we're gonna go inside and meet him, and then we'll be right back once we're seated at it. What up, everybody? We're now at the table. I just ordered my breakfast. I got a veggie egg white with cheese and a side of turkey bacon. And the coffee is also delicious. Oh, and I also got Rye Toast with mine. Oh, I'll let Ronan mention what he got.
Hi, this is Ronan Luver. Welcome. We're at Dunk N Munch here in Fall River. And I decided to eat something very healthy today. So I got banana nut pancakes with chocolate chips. I needed a little energy. I feel like really sluggish today, so I figured I'd get some carbohydrates in. And they have such a great selection here. I mean, they have the keto breakfast, which has steak in it. So you're in the area and you feel like having steak with your breakfast, this is the place to go. I like the fact that they don't say, well, you have to wait until a certain time to have steak. So anyway, we're here at Dunk N Munch and enjoying the day. I hope you're having a good day. Here we go. Sausages.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
There we go. This is the egg white, veggie omelet with cheese, home fries, toast, and some turkey bacon. Oh, this bacon. Look at that. Actually, just the way I like it.
Do you have molasses? Molasses? No. Rye Toast?
This omelet. Look at that. Nice steamy. Perfectly.
Nice sausages.
Today's a good class, but it's not.
How's the pancakes?
Really good. I would call this buenissimo. Really good. I have to say, I always enjoy coming here. If you're in the area, it's really worth coming. I mean, the mixture of the syrup with the bananas and they got like walnuts and the chocolate chip.
Is it good, the banana chocolate chip?
Yeah, yeah. And you have like a walnut with it too.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, there's nuts in here.
You said walnuts, right? You said nuts. You said walnut, but yeah, nuts.
Yeah, wow.
Make sure. Coffee? No, that's all right. We can. There is one actually. There's one made. Well, we don't mind making it. We just like it to keep it fresh. So.
So good.
Putting in the hash browns. Look at that. Nice golden crispy. Perfect. Food is very hot. And again, I mean, just look at this omelet. Look how thick that is for egg whites. Vegetable. And then the bacon, just the way I like it, a little bit extra crispy. And then this is turkey bacon, but really, really good. And the toast is perfectly. Of course, make a little sandwich like I always do.
You can do all bacon, 3 eggs, 1 fries and toast.
Alright, y'all, just finished our meal, but I do want to say the customer service here is really good. It's awesome. Waitress was great. And I also want to let you know, if you come to this place, Dunk N Munch in Fall River, which is breakfast and lunch, they have an app called Toast Takeout. You just let your waitress know that you'd like to sign up, and what it is each time you come in, you gain points, and those points, after you reach a certain amount, add up to dollars, and you can use it towards your bill to get so much off. Okay, here's the app, so you just click on it like that and see. Now I'm actually recording from my phone, so I'm showing you through Ronan's app. But yeah, so as you can see, he has like 9 points. He needs to gain 50 to get at least $3. I actually have some points. I got about $5 on mine. So yeah, this is the app, and like I said, all you gotta do is just ask them about it. They'll help you sign up, and each time you come in, you get some points, and it adds up to dollars, as you can see, and you get to use that towards your bill. But again, my food was absolutely delicious. I enjoyed every bite of it. And like I was just saying, you know, our service here has been great. It's been great every time we've come in. This isn't our first time here. It's a great little place. So if you're looking for some good food, and to also gain a discount at some point, I would definitely check out this place.
Well, I just got done eating the pancakes, and they were scrumptious, to say the least. And very nice place, clean atmosphere. You can't get better service. I mean, they really do a great job of making you feel welcome, and also getting the food out to you quickly as possible. And like Tuff Daddy was saying about toast, if you get that app, you can also start getting points and stuff like that. And, you know, it adds up after a while. You know, you get a free meal and stuff like that. And there's a lot of restaurants that are doing that now. I mean, like Burger King and McDonald's and stuff like that, they have their apps where every time you spend money there, you get rewards. Toast is another option for if you like to frequent Dunk N Munch and get more of a home-cooked meal than you would, like I say, at a McDonald's or Burger King. And there's other restaurants that do use that same app. So something to think about.
Alright, what up everybody? We just got out, we just finished our meal, we just paid for the bill. And because, like I showed you on the app, because I had at least about $5.20 in points, I was able to use that towards the bill, and it came to around $32 in change for both Ronan and I to have breakfast here. Again, like I said, like both of us said actually, the service here is outstanding, the food is delicious. We have been here before, and every time we come here, they're always friendly. Friendly. And again, the food is amazing. So if you have a chance and you live in Fall River or one of the nearby towns, and you're looking for a good place to come and eat for breakfast or for lunch, come here. And as you saw on one of the ones, I believe it said that they're open at 7 and they close around 2 p.m. So thank you to everybody who has subscribed so far. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so when a video like this one drops, you'll be the first one to be notified. Also too, make sure to leave a comment down below and let us know where you would like for us to go next, and we will do our best to go there, try the food, and not only try the food but also give you our honest opinion on the establishment and the customer service. Please keep sharing the video. Also make sure to smash that like, and until then, we'll see you all on the next review.